Oh my gosh, where's my fucking cheeseburger? Do you know who touched my cheeseburger?
Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just at the lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the back.
Happy birthday, G.
Thanks, bro. Birthday, cuz.
Happy birthday, boss.
G, should we take a quick photo?
Yeah, hop. Hey, G, you take it.
Yeah, baby. Hey, hey. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Get your pretty ass soon as you came in the door. I just wanted you, got a sex for us to roll. In love with the money, introduced it to me slow. Showed her how to whip it, now she remix it for low. Shawty me all late night, got a man, got me thinking shawty all right. She said she ain't about to keep light. She don't wanna take her. I ain't mad at nobody, I just wanna have your body. Now I can give you the keys, yeah, or you can meet me in the lobby. Oh, I'll lay you down and go down into the rich ocean. So come and get this thing. Hold up, I don't need no luck. I said it with a straight face, baby, that's poker. Feeling a little sober, got to mix it in my soda. I clean up good, a roper, doper. Baby, I'm the but that's a good odor. I'm a youngster, but my money don't Yoda. Crib on the ocean, backyard potion. You're hating on the internet, I couldn't even know. See, there's no service, we at the top working. Pop, pops and lurking, so they don't get nerved. I swear suburban, this a go derby. Ferraris and horses, I snap like Tory. No work, I thought, girl, can feel it bored. Mull up at the dollar band, banks, call me George. 95 Rollie, 96 Kobe. You're not in love, born like Ginobili. You know me?
It happens every time I look in your eyes. I can see the love that comes and goes. It's a mystery when my love won't set me free. Hey, it only happens when I look at you. It only happens when I look at you.
Me and my twins are gonna sing you guys a song. Instrumental again by the talented Victor Soul. Shout out to you again, bro. Good stuff.
Hella talented.
Sick. You got it, man. You guys ready? Ready, guys. Ready, bro.
How could this life be so real? I can't explain how I feel, but one thing is for sure: each love you more. My baby, can't you see you complete?
Good job, guys.
Excuse me, sir, can I...
That's the sound of the police!
What are you doing?
Am I being detained?
Well, not...
Why are you holding me?
Sir, you just ran a red light.
Running a red light isn't against the law.
Oh my... Excuse me, sir, can I see some ID, please? Yes, sir. Thank you.
Boom bullet.
My girl,